Purpose of short quick view videos. Our channel mainly focuses on practical oriented concept explanation. Our main purpose is with simple regular real life examples making SQL easy and understandable for everybody. With simple examples and practical sessions, it is try of making SQL more easy. So many times some videos may becomes larger in length, but some people want quick idea in less time. So these people also can take advantages of our videos. And also our regular people who watch long duration videos, they also can get idea in less time. We are going to give quick theoretical explanation of concept sometimes. This is that kind of quick view of concept video. And there will be other short videos also. So now let's start video. Quick video view of DDL, DML, DTL, DCL, DQL. Data definition language. DDL stands for data definition language. It is a set of SQL statements that work on the database as a whole rather than an individual table or row. Data definition language DDL is used to define and maintain database schema or database structure. DDL are used to create, alter or drop the database objects like table, view, users, etc. First there is create database object. For example, table, index, procedures, functions, view, triggers. Second is alter, alters or change the structure of database. Third is drop used to remove database object. It may be table or database. Note, please see our video of truncate in SQL. Rename, rename used to rename an object existing in the database. Truncate removes all records from the table. Note, please see our video of truncate in SQL. Some examples or syntaxes of DDL. Create database DB name, alter table table name, add column name, data type, drop table table name. DML data manipulation language. DML data manipulation language. The SQL command that deals with manipulation of data present in the database belongs to DML or data manipulation language, and this includes most of the SQL statements. Data manipulation language DML allows you to modify the database instance by inserting, modifying and deleting its data. It is responsible for performing all types of data modification in a database. Insert used to insert data into insert used to insert data into a table. Update used to update existing data within a table. Delete used to delete records from a database table. Note, to see practical implementation and detailed understanding, please see our video of DML statements in SQL. TCL Transaction Control Language. TCL means Transaction Control Language. DML statements insert, update, delete, makes changes, then those changes can be managed by TCL. It also allows statements to be grouped together into logical transactions. Examples of TCL commands. 1. Commit. Commits a transaction. If we apply commit, then save will be permanent, then we cannot undo the changes. Please refer our video truncate in SQL. We have shown for delete how commit works. Rollback. Rollbacks a transaction in case of any error occurs. Suppose we delete records from a table or update or make changes in the table. But if we don't want those changes and again want initial record situation, then rollback means changes made by delete transaction can be rolled back and delete will not make permanent effect. Please refer our video truncate in SQL to get exact idea. Save point sets a save point within a transaction. It marks and saves the current point in the processing of a transaction. It is used to temporarily save a transaction so that you can roll back to that point whenever necessary. Set transaction. Set transaction is for placing a name on a transaction. You can specify a transaction to be read only or read write. DCL data control language. To perform any operation in database such as creating tables, sequences or views, a user needs privileges. DCL is used to control privileges in database. Privileges are of two types. System privileges, permissions for creating session, table, etc. and all types of other system privileges. Object privileges, permissions for any command or query to perform any operation on the database tables. Example of DCL commands. Grant gives user access privileges to database, thus allows specified users to perform specified tasks. Withdraw user access privileges. Suppose, revoke, withdraw user access privileges. Suppose any user given access using the grant command. That access can be removed by revoke. In this way, revoke is used to take back permissions from the user. DQL data query language. To fetch the data from the database, DQL is used. Select. It is used to select the attribute based on the condition described by where clause. Note: some places select mentioned under DML and some places it is mentioned under DQL. That's all for this short quick video. Have a nice day. Thank you.